Alright, welcome back to Last Call. If you watched my last video, I basically crossed over by foot to Tijuana, Mexico. One of my favorite cities. There's so much to do here. There's such a rich nightlife, and there's such good food. There's such good drinks. I really love it out here. Basically, it's about an hour and a half, an hour and 40-minute drive from Southern California, where I live, to the border. Then I just take a trolley. It's like a 2 or 3 minute trolley ride. It's the final stop, and I get basically crossed by foot on the border. It was so quick and easy today. It was seamless, painless. So basically, I'm in Hotel Caesars now. It's in Avenida Revolucion, kind of like the downtown Tijuana area. I just got into my room. I just dropped off my bag and turned on the camera. So we're actually gonna do a walk around today. This Hotel Caesars is it's a very old hotel with the rich history. The Caesar salad, like the Caesar salad, was actually invented here, and they make it right in front of you. So that's kind of a cool fact and history about this hotel. Anyway, I'll turn the camera over and I'll show you around. It had very positive reviews online. That's why I booked it. With taxes and fees and everything, it came out to about $55 USD, so not that bad. It is a small room, like really small, but honestly, I'm only here one night, and what more do I need, you know? Nice big bed. Seems really comfortable too. Yeah, actually it's pretty comfortable. So I believe it's a king size bed. Got 2 nightstands. Here's the view. Literally Avenida Revolucion is here to the left. Sorry about the blinds. But yeah, that's the big road with all the nightlife over there. There's a pharmacy across the street, another hotel, actually 2 hotels. Those don't look pretty nice though, so I saw a lot of those and I just went with something that I knew with the history, you know. But yeah, over here to the left, there's so much nightlife, restaurants, bars, pharmacies, you name it, you can find it over here. So anyway, enough about this. Let's go to the room. You do have a TV. Here's your air conditioner up on the top. You have a desk area. I didn't bring my laptop this time because I'm only here overnight, so I didn't want to bring the extra luggage. And tomorrow when I check out, I'm going to wander around for a few hours before I actually make it back. So yeah, anyway, I won't be using that desk too much, but it's nice to know there's a nice desk there. You have some power outlets. You have some by the nightstand too, so for your chargers and all that. This side actually has 3, so there's no shortage of that. That's good. So this did come with free Wi-Fi. Basically, it's your standard room key, you know. Here's the name of the hotel, Hotel Caesars, Tijuana, Mexico. So you have a safe, so that's actually really good. Got some hangers so you can hang up all your stuff. I don't have much since, you know, I'm only here overnight. Hey, there's me. Nice sink, very clean. Looks actually really new. Hotel Caesars, there's your towel. Your toilet. Your hook, your shower. So it's actually, I mean, for being a shower stall, it's actually pretty roomy in there. Soap and shampoo that it comes with, more towels. I gotta say this room looks very renovated. So that's actually a really good thing. It looks very new. Everything, the shower, the sink, the flooring, everything looks really new. So honestly, for the price, it is small, but honestly, what more do you need? It's actually pretty nice. I like it. So here, let's see how the air conditioner works here. Power. There we go. That's gonna take some getting used to. We use Fahrenheit. This is Celsius. But yeah, it turned on already, so that's good. So yeah, anyway, it's a nice room, small, but it looks very updated. It looks brand new actually. So, all right, hello again. So yeah, basically a couple of things to go over. There is some construction going on in the lobby, so half of it is actually blocked off. Looks like they're doing some construction, so I wouldn't doubt it if this room is new. Here's a couple of things I noticed about the hotel. There's no elevator, so I'm on the 3rd floor. You're going to be going up and down the stairs on your own, no elevator. The sign, it did say basically like the house rules, and one of them was no visitors, and they even put it again on their underneath on the bottom in bold and all capitals. So it looks like they might be strict about no visitors, just a heads up on that one. So if you're gonna basically have the room for more than one person, make sure you list everyone so you don't have any issues with that. The other things that the reviews online said was it had very good reviews, very positive reviews, but it did say if you get a room facing the front that you're gonna hear a lot of the nightlife music, because keep in mind there's a lot of bars, a lot of performers outside on that main street. So that's what I heard, is that if you get a room facing the front, you're gonna hear a lot of the music at nighttime. So just be aware of that. But other than that, very positive reviews, and what I can see so far, I actually really like everything. So now that I'm here, I am meeting up with a couple of friends, but I'll actually go outside right now, and I'll show you around a little bit, because it is right in the heart of Avenida Revolucion. So I'll show you around for a couple of minutes, and then we'll just end this video. But yeah, there's gonna be a lot of music and stuff down there, so I won't be able to talk, but I'll put music over it. But yeah, check it out because it's really cool. I'll do a video of just the nightlife alone, because that's when everything comes to life. But yeah, I hope you enjoy it. I'm really excited to be back here. I really love Tijuana. It's such a cool city, such a fun city. So thank you for watching. Muchas gracias. Please drink responsibly. Please do not drink and drive. It's not worth it. And just make today count. It's a beautiful day. Just make it happen, make it count. Stay tuned for a couple more minutes while I'll show you around the hotel, but I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.
Let's work. Yo, it's go time, showtime, never backing down time. One shot, yo, make it count, yo. Crunch time, shine time, make this moment my time. Get a grip, yo, ready, set, go. We bring the thunder. Bring the thunder. Let's work. Bring the thunder. Let's go. Bring the thunder. Let's work. Bring the thunder. Let's go. Yeah, it's my time, yo time. Step into the spotlight. Get lit, yo. Let yourself go. Our time, high time. Gotta go big time. This is it, yo. Never take no flight time. Grind time. Take it to the street time. Turn the roof off. Get loco. Game time, win time. We gon' bring it home time. No regrets now. Let it all go. We bring the thunder. Bring the thunder. Let's work. Bring the thunder. Let's go.